Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to crop your image in a circular shape, circular avatar. So let me take a very simple example. So we have this input image. So what we need to do, we need to draw a circular avatar. We need to crop this image in a circular shape. So we have this Python script which we are using pillow library, which is an image processing library. If I apply this, you will see it will create a new file here, circular cropped.png. So it will change this image into a circular shape. So this we can do this with any image. Let's suppose I say this one. Again, it will create like this, the circular image. This was this image, basically cropped into a circle. So this is a very simple script. The link is given in the description if you want the full script. So first of all, you just need to install this pillow package by executing this command pip install pillow, so which is an image processing library inside Python. So I've already installed it. So what we need to do, we simply need to say we need to import this package. So from pil we need to import the image and the image draw module. After that, we need to load the image. For loading the image, we use the open function, and here we specify the image here. And then first of all, convert this image into RGBA, and then we set the width and the height of the image to the whatever is the size of the image. So after that, we create the circular shape by executing image.new, and L is equal to width comma height comma 0, and then we will draw this circular shape by using this image draw module. It contains the draw function, and here we simply pass the mass, and then we draw this ellipse. We use this ellipse function 0 comma 0, and the width and whatever is the height of the original image. Then we fill out 255. This means that the borders will have white color. You can even change this as well. If I put 0, it will have black color. After that, we simply apply the mask. For applying the mask, we simply say image.new, and then we simply say RGBA, width and the height, and then we paste result.paste the image 0 comma 0, and then we apply the mask, and then we simply save this image. So we save this image, which will be circular.png. So this is our script, and if I execute now, you'll see the new image will be created. And now I think I made some kind of typo mistake. The full script, guys, is given in the description of the video. So what I will do, I will simply paste this full script. Once again, do this. It is, sorry. You just need to say images slash profile.jpg. So once again, run the script. So it will change this into a circular avatar image. So this is a script, guys. The link is given in the description, which is a pillow library of Python to crop the image into a circular shape. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.